Change the why into why not and go after your goals. Without excuses. Pause. Take a deep breath. You've got this.
Welcome to Las Vegas Martin Kung Fu Channel. This is 师傅简真教. That is my Chinese name. 师傅这种. So today video, the tiger and crane, 虎鹤双形. So follow me. Welcome back for the daily Kung Fu training and tutorial, the Quran and Tiger Kung Fu. So for the Tiger Kung Fu, you know the strike is very strong with the side way, but also you can from down, go up, also you go double and go down and go sideway. So always we're learning the Tiger Kung Fu is very strong for attack. But for this lesson, we're combined with the corner Kung Fu. So corner hand is like this, so it's more poke the eye or the set of the head or the down. So how to combine the tiger and corner Kung Fu? Actually, so the tiger Kung Fu use for more self-defense is defense movement. And then you come back with the corner Kung Fu and attack, but both hand. So it's a great Kung Fu style to mix it. So follow me with those basics step by step. The first basics. So those is a few moves that combine with corn and with the tiger Kung Fu. The first is straight move. So you go blocking your right and left and right. So this way is a defense movement. If some punch, you go bah, bah, bah. So block very quick. So the slow motion, just go over your face. If someone just punch, you go boom, blocking the other way, right? So as soon you got blocking after, you both hand quick from down to up to attack the down side and quick combine attack the both side with the head. It's a very dangerous move. So how your waist and your feet work? So for your waist, you from a little bit lower, just like boxing, right here. So from down to up, because strong your fingers all together tight like this, like the corn hook, like this, and quick open, like this. So your hand cannot go too big open. That is a good strike. You have more power when you open bigger of your shoulder and arm, but slow down your tongue. So once real attack, you gotta be really quick, and that's it. The second basics. Right, it's a great combination with the corn and tiger Kung Fu. The first movement, you do elbow, you rotate your shoulders. Right and left is a straight time. So 1, 2, and 3. So once you rotate, sway, you attack by elbow from this way, right? So your waist is just relaxed. This is also defense movement. Can be attack, mostly for defense. It's the same thing. Someone punch you, that is attack, well, defense, sorry. So you go punch, you go boom, block, punch, and come back with the elbow. You twist your waist all the way, you go that's attack the side with the height. So let's look what's the bar. So this is defense move, but can be attack with short distance. But mostly this is defense, and this is really an attack movement, right? And assume this, boom. So your current hand just from side, from this side, boom. Is that another punch, like boom, hit this side, boom, boom. With that, so as soon as you get this, you come back, lean your right hand, come back right here, and attack by your left hand. So once you get it back, you see, this is just under your chin, just like a boxers. Again, this is protection. But this attack, the same thing. This is protection. So once you get come back, this to protect you. This is attack. The same thing. You go right. So you attack by your left hand, your right hand, just right this way, right? Protect you and attack. Great combo. Let's go to the next one. Hand and left hand cross and you go attack this way, and then your right hand left hand cross and come back attack this way. So this movement can be handy for defense, but also can be for wrestling. You go blocking the head and then boom kick. So you go dropping and then go wrestling. The same thing for the other side. Go kick and then you can a wrestling movement. Let's see the feet. You got right, left hand. So this is the stance, also is straight. Same thing like this way, right? 1, 2, 3, like this. So repeatedly training daily to make it strong. So your hand and your feet become one. The rhythm. 1, 2, trip. 1, 2, trip. And repeatedly training with that. After that, so your hand go like this. Your both hand to attack the chin, just right this. And the next one, you both hand from top. Tiger hand, smash down. Woo, that's gonna be really bad. Boom, right? So it's very powerful. So and smash down. Your tiger hand, just smash down the face. You go chin and smash down. And you go wrestling this way. And go 3, 4. Yeah, this is another great combo. So we start with vertical punch. Right, left, and right. Then we gotta go boom, a hook. And after tiger hand to smash the face. So say this again. So go boom, 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 and right. So after this, you both hand quick switch. Left hand go up, boom, with the smash from top. Go down. As soon as you land, the both hand from both sides to attack the both side. Right, so quick note for this one. So once you got sweep hands with the hook, this is the time you really got the good distance. You feel you close to the person. You got attack quick with the punch to attack either chest or the shoot. And after you go quick rotate with the hook. So that must be good timing and with close distance. So with the far away, you might get a kick. So with close, so you learn that. Come back right here. Boom. You got this, and you just attack with that. So what is the fate work? So once you cross the fate, it's adjust your distance. You feel the person either too far or too close. If it's too close, you go back, and you come back, boom. You got to make that strike of your kick, right? Or the person to go too far, you can adjust. So you make distance closer, and you go kick, right? So this is why we make the quick fit. Stop. Or you can go left, you can attack with this knee, and you can boom. Many ways you can apply to be creative, be flexible. So you go smash to the face diagonal from the top corner, go down just like this. After your hand, boom, go back from the back side, right here. Gotta shoot, come back. Same time, you gotta rotate the step because you gotta turning. We got this shoot. And go boom right here. As soon as you're turning, you rotate and you make a kick. The spinning kick by your left. Attack the head. Shoot. So after the kick, your current hand, same from top to poke the side way, either the eye, shoot, and go down. So after this, and then we go another push with strong power, hand, elbow, same time. 2, 撞 the last basics is very important for your steps. So for example, this one got foot. You see, you gotta quick to stop. But thus in real situation, you might not able to do this if someone is too close to you. So you can still to attack and just by a spinning kick. The spinning is for demonstration your form. But if in real situation, you adjust, depends the situation. So you go, that still work. If you can't have the feet, that is also work to be flexible how your feet works. Anyway, you got to make that rotation. Good kick. Really depends on the situation, how far of your opponents, right? So after this, and another one, as soon you get this, you see, so the kick after, your whole body actually lean this way. And you steps, from top go down, and this is much more power, your attack right here, right? So from top, go down to the height, point, boom, soon you got this, boom, same, your step is really important. After this, you say, you have to make that strong right step with close distance, and with your shoulder. One more try. Hey, girl, ain't gonna lie. News, I got 100k subscriber. Thank you so much for your supporting all the way from 0 until 100k. I'm so proud. Thank you so much for your supporting again forever. Thank you so much. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell button so don't miss out the next video. I see you next video. I love you all and bye bye.